Burn that ball to the chest. Ready, go. Burn it to the chest. Burn it to the chest. Ready, go. High tight, whatever you did the first time, do the opposite hand the next time. Here we go. Ready, go. Ready, go. Get in that bar stool. Here we go. Good. That's it. Good. That's good strike. Great demeanor right there. Head, shoulders back. Beautiful. Beautiful. There we go. Strike. Head, shoulders back. Good. Head, shoulders back. Over it. That's it. Good. That's it. Strike. Head, shoulders back. Sit in the bar stool. Quick. Ready. Ready, go, low strike. That's it. Here we go, eyes up. Ready, let's go, low strike. Oh, man, high. Hit through, ready. No, Mario. Come back up. Stay right there, son. Stay right there all day, dog. Don't get stuck. Don't get stuck. Don't reach. Just put it in the ground and come out of it. Bam, you gotta go. Drop the pads forward and in. Go behind your pad. Go. Good. Pad level. Eyes and hands. If my hands are here, my eyes are where? Hey! If my hands are on the top. Let's go. Eyes up. Go. There you go. Better.